lives in order for you alone. Oh Lord, set our heart on fire for you. We want to burn for you. Oh Lord, set our lives in order for you. Hey, for you alone. Oh Lord, set our hearts on fire for you. We want to burn for you. We want to burn for you. We want to burn for you. We want to look like you. Hey, shut up. We want to burn for you. Hey, we want to burn. We want to burn for you. We want to look like you. We want to talk like you. We want to be like you. We want to look like you. Talk like you. Be like you. We want to burn for you. Ekaparadabakosata, eradasate, radiakosataya, iradosate. Say, oh Lord, set our hearts on fire. Hey, we want to burn. Say, oh Lord, set our lives in order. Make this your prayer. Make this your prayer. Say, oh Lord, set our hearts on fire. Hey, Jesus, we want to burn. Say, oh Lord, set our lives in order. Say, we want to know your heart. We want to know your ways. I want to know your heart. I want to know your ways. I want to be like you. I want to look like you. I want to talk like you. I want to think like you. I want to be like you. I want to look like you. Hey, I want to talk like you. I want to think like you. I want to see like you. I want to look like you. Hey, I want to touch like you. 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 Oh Lord, ayakayolani akusada bariena no sada, erada baina sade, erada baye sande, radikaena no sadai. I want to touch like you. I want to affect lives like you. I want to touch like you. I want to heal like you. I want to heal like you. I want to raise the dead like you. I want to raise the dead like you. I want to heal the sick like you. Open the eyes of the blind like you. I want to do the things you do. Ooh, shut up, Akonda.